and take a look at the 2022
Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, LED headlights, tires, rear performance, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.